Yonaguni is Japan's westernmost border island. The island's lush nature is inhabited by diverse wildlife. Its diving spots are renowned and numerous, and all this within 110 kilometers from Taiwan. Amidst this subtropical paradise, Sakimoto Distillery has been crafting its richly unique Awamori since its inception in 1927. Sakimoto Awamori, made with a dedication to following traditional handmade techniques. Let's take a look at the manufacturing process. Awamori production begins with turning the main ingredient, rice, into koji. To make koji, the rice bran is first washed off in a large drum. Then the rice is soaked and steamed. Next, black koji spores are added to the steamed rice and left undisturbed overnight. The next morning, the rice is transferred to a special container, mixed evenly and leveled by hand. The rice is kept at a uniform temperature to ensure even growth of the koji. To prevent the mixture from drying out, a cloth is placed over it and further left overnight. Mother Nature and the passing of time nurture the koji. Morning on the third day. The ripened koji is broken up. The mist-like powder that rises up is evidence that the koji has been successfully cultivated. Distilling alcohol with black koji, one of Awamori's main characteristics, is rare throughout the world. From here, the final preparation begins. A mash, called moromi, is prepared by mixing the koji with water and Awamori yeast. Here, while carefully monitoring for quality, fermentation takes place over a period of about 20 days. "20 days later, a sweet sour fragrance wafts up from the finished moromi. This moromi is then distilled. Sakimoto Distillery is dedicated to using a traditional direct-fired pot still. This traditional method demands constant care and attention, but there is no other way to achieve this level of richly flavorful liquor. Only a few distilleries in the Yaeyama Islands still use this process. The moromi is put into the pot still, the fire is lit, and distillation begins. Care is taken to stir the moromi constantly while heating. When the moromi reaches a boil, the lid is shut and the boiling steam is forced through a duct and cooled. At this point, hanazake, a liquor with an alcohol content of over 60%, is extracted. In all, it takes about 3 weeks to produce Awamori. Japan's westernmost point, Yonaguni Island. Here, on this island, with dedication and commitment to every detail. Sakimoto Distillery. Our sake is sincerely made by a select few who follow traditional handmade methods.